Kata is a standardized sequence of blocking, punching, and often kicking techniques. These sets of techniques can be applied as self-defense techniques against an opponent, which is known as bankai in Japanese. Brendan and Rebecca will be performing Heian Shodan, the first kata taught to beginning students. There are 5 Heian katas. Heian can be translated from Japanese as peaceful mind, because it is said that one who has mastered the Heian katas can be confident of successfully being able to defend themselves. Brendan and Rebecca are going to demonstrate several different ways of applying some of the bankai from Heian Shodan. Rebecca is performing a downward block, hammer fist, and then stepping punch. The important point to keep in mind is that the katas are stylized techniques, so applying the bankai effectively requires adapting and adjusting these techniques so they can be effectively applied. In this application, we have a situation where Rebecca and Brendan are both standing and Brendan grabs Rebecca's arm. Rebecca breaks Brendan's grip and then delivers a hammer fist strike to Brendan's face, followed up by a stepping punch. Notice how Rebecca is taking advantage of where Brendan's grip is the weakest and is using her body weight effectively to break the grip and then immediately follows up with a punch. In this application, we have a situation where Rebecca and Brendan are both sitting and Brendan grabs Rebecca's arm. Like the last application, Rebecca breaks his grip and then delivers a hand fist strike to Brendan's face, followed up by a punch. In this application, Brendan is getting a little too friendly. The bankai is modified, so the downward block becomes a downward strike to the groin, followed up by a hammer fist strike to the head, and then a punch. Rebecca is performing a downward block, then an open-handed overhead block, and then stepping forward using an overhead strike, demonstrating that blocks can also be applied as strikes. And finally, sometimes the direct approach is the best approach.